2081 Baishakh. They write SHK here also. 17 Monday, right? Monday. Which period is this? Second period. And which chapter are we discussing? Scientific learning. What is the first chapter?
Scientific learning.
And topic is already discussed, right? So today we are going to discuss some exercises. Hey, questions. Number 6. What is given here?
When you switch off the fan in your classroom, the fan is stopped rotating. Demonstrate scientific learning in this event and discuss it in your classroom. Briefly describe the various steps involved in this event.
Okay, you go that side, you with it. Surkhet will go there and then Prasad also go there. So when you switch off the fan in your classroom, the fan stops rotating. It's not working now, right?
So,
Is the fan working? No, because it is switched off. Now switch on.
so we have.
Now it is switched on. The blades are running, right? They are rotating. Demonstrate scientific learning in this event and discuss in it in your classroom. We will describe the various steps involved in this event. What are the different steps involved while discussing about this? It is given here. When you switch off the fan in your classroom, the fan stops rotating, right? Then what is the objective at first? What is the objective? Why does the fan stop rotating when we switch off the fan? What is the objective?
Why does the fan stop rotating when
Why the fan stops rotating when we switch off the fan, right? And now what is the second portion? Objective. Now observation. What to observe? We have to observe the fan, right? That is observation. For observing fan, what can you use? You can use your eyes mainly, and you can check. Earlier, when there was supply of electricity, it was rotating and it was giving some sort of air to you also. Now it's not giving, right? And what is the third point? Methodology, different methods. What type of method is applicable? So by switching on and switching off, right? Methodology. And what are the materials required? Materials required is mainly this fan, ventilated. But there are different fans. Not only this upper fan, there is table fan also, there is stand fan also, there is one fan also, right? Take different type of fans. Now, what is next one? Hypothesis. What is hypothesis? Why does it stop when we switch off the fan? That is our hypothesis. And what are the methods applied? Switch on fan, again switch off. Switch on the fan, observe it, switch off the fan, observe it. Then what will be the result? When the fan switch is made on, there is electric supply, the blades of the fan rotate. And when there is no supply of electricity, or when the switch is made off, current does not flow and it does not function. What is the conclusion? The fan stops rotating when we switch off the fan in our classroom because it does not get electricity. It does not get electric current. So, electric current is required for rotating the fan. What is required? Electricity is required for rotating the fan. So, here are different stages of research. Have you studied or not? See here. Identify the research question. Literature review. Actually, these are not needed. So, this objective, method of data collection. Next, what can you do? Analysis of data and What is that? Conclusion. In that way also you can do it. Number 7. What does question number 7 say?
Which of the following method is the correct way to dilute an acid and why?
Which of the following method is the correct way to dilute an acid? What do you mean by dilute? Do you know? What is the meaning of dilute? Dilute means decrease its concentration. To make dilute means decrease its concentration. So the milkman rears some cows, buffaloes, right? And those cows, buffaloes, do they give milk or not?
Yes.
The milk which it comes from those animals directly, that is pure milk. Isn't that pure milk? If some water is added to that milk, then that is pure milk or diluted milk. If less water is used or added, that is less diluted. If more water is added, more diluted, right? So, process of adding water and decreasing its purity, concentration, that is called dilution. What do you call it? Dilution or dilute. So, which one is okay? By pouring acid into water or by pouring water into acid?
By water into acid.
Water to acid or acid to water?
Water to acid.
So, take some acid and then add their water slowly. That is good idea. But take some water and add their acid is very dangerous. Okay, that is wrong. So which one is correct? By pouring water into acid. Okay. Question number 8. What does the question say?
Which of the following is correct to heat a mixture in the laboratory and why?
Okay, please read carefully once again.
Which of the following is correct to heat a mixture in the laboratory and why?
Correct to heat a mixer in a laboratory. Number 8.
By inclining the mouth of the test tube towards your own face.
By inclining the mouth of the test tube towards your face. Hitting and thus inclining. Is that right or wrong?
Wrong.
Is that wrong? Why?
Because it will
Sometimes the thing may come directly in our face and it may burn also, right? It may damage. Point number 2.
by inclining the mouth of the test tube towards your neighbor's face.
Your neighbor face and hit it. Is that okay?
No.
That is also dangerous one,
Yes.
isn't it? So, point number, why are you just holding those geometry box in your hand, you Kumar? Which item is you take that one? Okay, this method is not correct. This method is also not correct. Point number C.
By inclining the mouth of the test tube towards nobody's face.
By inclining the mouth of the test tube towards nobody's face. Is it right?
Yes.
If so, even if something comes out, it does not reach in other's face, and there is no more harm. Which is the best one?
C.
So by inclining the mouth of the test tube towards nobody's face, so that there won't be any accident, right? It is less hazardous. Okay, children. Now here the next question. Where is it going? It goes very fast, huh? It goes very fast. Again, let me do. What we have to discuss is. Has it come? Just a minute. We talking?
Yes. It's not. I don't know.
Okay, read the question. What is given there?
Diagrammatic question, identify the given diagram and write their uses in the laboratory.
Is it shared? Already shared, right? Okay. Has the question come? Okay, question number 9. What does the question say?
Identify the given diagram and write its uses in the laboratory.
Identify the given diagrams and write their uses in laboratory. What is the name of this device?
Fire extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher. F-I-R-E, fire. E-X-T-I-N-G-U-I-S-H-E-R. What is the name of the second one?
Apron.
Apron, that's right. A-P-R-O-N. Third one, these are safety glasses. What are they?
Safety glasses.
Glasses. Okay, why is fire extinguisher used?
To set out fire.
To put out the fire. Yeah. Sometimes while doing experiment, there may be production of fire. Yes, sir. Or something may burn. Immediately what to apply? And there is carbon dioxide gas. The fire cannot spread. Okay. What is second one? Apron. Apron. It's just like the outer covering, like coat, so that our internal part or internal cloth does not become dirty. Yes, sir. Right? So just you take it out. So while doing experiment, you just use it. When you don't do, leave it. Right? And what is the third one? Safety glasses. Why are safety glasses used?
Safety glasses are used to
Protect our eyes from hazards, some problem. Right? Understood or not? So these are the uses of these three devices. Fire extinguisher to put out the fire. Apron to protect our clothes being dirty. Right? And safety glasses to protect our eyes from harmful substances or chemicals. Okay? That is all. So, children, your unit test is approaching very soon. Today is 17th. Hardly 20 days are left. Yes, sir. That's why whatever you do with full interest. And many of you have to improve your handwriting. So, Katie, what is your hand? Do one word at a time. You must improve handwriting. I was checking the copy yesterday and I found worse handwriting. I don't want to see that handwriting again. You, Ritik Khanal, their Bomjan, right? These are the examples. Children, now our next heading is, what is our next heading? Okay, information and communication technology. So this is chapter 2nd. What is this?
Chapter second.
Do you know how many units are there in this class? In this subject? Altogether 11 units are there, right? How many are there? 11 units. And we will just go slowly and we will try to complete maximum 4 units, minimum 3 units before each exam, and finally you have to appear in BLE. What is full form of BLE? Basic level examination. They are very smart. You have to be smart in every field. You have to be smart in every field. Basically, students must be smart in 5 areas. How many areas? 5 areas. What are they? First is listening. They must have very good listening power. Hello, boy. What happened to you? Very good listening power. And next one, speaking. Listening, speaking. Next one, reading. Reading. Writing. And the last one is practicing, or you can say focusing.
Focus.
You need to practice. Only listening, reading, writing doesn't matter. In the name of your father, you are writing. I'm reading, yes, reading for whom? For my father. And marks also comes like for father. Father, are you happy with 20 marks? No. I will be happy with 75 marks. Father becomes happy with 75 and you deserve 20, 25, 30, then what do you do? So, these things you have to improve. What is that? Listening. Next one, speaking. Next, reading. Next, writing. Next, practicing. Or focusing. Focus. Okay? Alright, students. So, What is the second topic? Information and communication technology. Simply we can say ICT. What is the topic?
ICT.
Okay. Every time we have to keep in mind what is the benefit of reading that topic. What do you gain after